So when we actually get into shapes, quadrilaterals primarily, but different shapes, the angles that get used the most, that appear the most in shapes, are consecutive interior angles. The other ones all get used, all right, so they all exist, but the ones that get used the most are consecutive interior. There's a lot of reasons, and when we get there, I'll actually talk to you about why. All right, but these are angles that are inside the lines on the same side of the transversal. So they sound a lot like alternate interior. So I'm going to go back into my picture here. I'm going to erase all the stuff that I have from the last one. All right, so they got to be on the inside of the lines. So they're going to live in here. And they're going to be on the same side of the transversal. So alternate meant over there and over there. Opposite sides. Same side means they're either both going to be on this side or they're both going to be on this side. All right, and hopefully that'll lead you to understand that you're going to have 3 and 5, or you're going to have 4 and 6. So there's 2 pairs, 3 and 5, 4 and 6. Now, if you're thinking about this here, we've had 3 pairs of angles, alternate interior, alternate exterior, and corresponding, that were all equal to each other, or congruent. Making sure I have the right ones. 3 and 5, angle 4, and angle 6. So a lot of times people can fall into the trap that the other ones were all congruent, so these ones are congruent. It's not true. All right, these are supplementary, which remember means equals 180. So consecutive interior are supplementary. And if I go back to the picture for a second, those angles don't even look like they're congruent. That's a little acute angle. That's a larger obtuse angle. There's no way those are congruent. All right, so they do have to add up to 180. And if you think about it here, just kind of a little preview, if I was to come over here and kind of draw a line like that, I get a 4-sided figure, and you can see it's a bad 4-sided figure, but it's a 4-sided figure. And that's going to give me that consecutive interior angles. And if you think about it, I'm probably not going to be able to, in a regular, normal-looking 4-sided figure, be able to get any of the other kinds of angles. That's why consecutive interior are the most common angles.